Hi, I'm going to talk about how to customize the color of the style kits. Whether it's that you kind of love the general look of a style kit, but you just want to tweak one of the colors or two that comes with it. I will show you how to do it from the global settings so you don't have to do it every single time you're applying a block, a flex block inside of your pages. So in this case, we have Verso apply, and these are the colors that Verso comes with. It has two palettes or two schemes, scheme 1 and scheme 2. And this is like how they are generally applied. We have a color for text, a color for background, and a color for overline, which is basically used for lines, for icons, and small little um, elements inside of the block. You can get familiar with these terms, so you will start understanding how to make the changes a little bit quicker and faster. So we will go here to the color section, and as you can see, these are the colors I constructed from the other part that I was showing you, scheme 1 and the scheme 2. To better know what are you changing, I suggest you to create a page that will be serving as the environment purpose, just to test how are the colors are applying. In this case, I called one already colors test and apply just random blocks from my library of blocks. And in this, we can just open Builder. From the settings part, we can see which is the general background color for this block. In this case, is the scheme 1 background default. We are going to change it to our background accent, perhaps, just to see which are all the colors that we are choosing, how they are going to play all together. So for this block, I will apply this one and I will just save it. And I will add another block. As you can see, this block, that was a block from Faro Style Kit. It has already applied the colors of Verso because it's the one that I'm using globally. So it will happen the same with the fonts. How are these blocks built? In this case, we have a scheme 1, which is basically our palette, and then we have, as we were mentioning, we have backgrounds, we have text, and we have overlines. Those are the three different types of colors that we are using in our blocks. So now what I'm going to do is just to add a couple more blocks to add different colors that I have from my schemes, and just to see whenever I will be like changing them or playing with the hues or the saturation, just to see if they actually work well together. And I want just to see how all the colors work together, how the schemes they blend together, and if they are actually um, combining.